Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around the Suzuki VStrom DL650. The bike is in phenomenal condition. As you can see, it also comes with the back box. You've got heated grips and a front facing dash cam as well. We'll do a full walk around of the bike. So you can see in there, radiator's really nice and clean. Forks are in great condition. You've got the dual brake discs here at the front. There's plenty of life left in the discs and the pads. New tyres, Bridgestone Battle Axe Adventures. And same round here. We've got a raised screen at the front with an extender. You've got the light protectors on here as well. And handguards also. Also got the adventure lights, which double up as the crash bars there. You've got the grille at the bottom and the nice clean oil filter there. No marks or blemishes on the bike itself. It's in really good condition. No rips and tears in the seat. It really is stunning, this bike. And again, new tyre on the rear, along with the chain and sprockets, which you'll see in just a second. Nice clean exhaust. And we've got the Givi back box on the rear, and a little Suzuki Pannier as well. Little pouch. As I mentioned, new chain and sprockets, so really clean bike. You can get in there to see the spring. There's your button for your adventure lights on there as well. As I mentioned, you've got a few controls on here. So there's your kind of standard ones. We've also got the Oxford heated grips and your camera there as well. There is also a little voltage meter as well, just so you can keep track of things. But a really nice, clean, tidy bike. Let me get it started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let's get the bike started up for you. Oh, need to pull the clutch in here. Oh. Right, I'll just let the bike warm up for a moment. Whilst I do that, I'll just confirm everything else is working. So we'll start here with the indicators. See there? And the same at the front. You've got your standard running light there, and the full beam as well. Horn works. Give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. There we are, the Suzuki VStrom DL650. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.